if you need to obtain some renders based on a floor plan, there are many ways you can do it. You can do it yourself with the 3D software. You can speak to an architect or a friend to do it for you. And if you want a cheap, fast, and high quality solution, you can choose AI to do it, okay? In this video, I'll show you how with AI you can basically upload a floor plan, indicate what sections from the floor plan you want to visualize as renders, and basically download them and share them, okay? So this is basically what we're going to be doing today, okay? And let's get to it. So first, what we're going to do is go to Pedra, and we're gonna click on render from floor plan. Here we have two options, architect, we're not gonna do that because that's an architect service. And then we have AI, okay, which is 90% accurate, all right? There might be some variations because AI is very new, but I'll show you how it works and you can judge yourselves and the results, okay? So we upload the floor plan and then we indicate with our mouse the sections we want to render, okay? So first the bedroom, we make sure we encapsulate the whole space, okay? We do the same for the living room plus kitchen and then for the bathroom. And then we're gonna click on next and we're gonna pick our style, okay? In this case, Scandinavian sounds good. We're gonna click on generate and we're gonna wait a minute. I'm gonna skip over a bit so we don't have to wait for the results. Here, some results are coming out already. Okay. We already have the living room plus kitchen and we have the bedroom. And below, we're gonna get the bathroom in a second. All right, so here's the bathroom. We have the three images. If we click on generation details, we can actually see what the AI saw on the floor plan, okay? And the section that corresponds to that image, okay? So as you can see, this is the bathroom based on the floor plan. This is the bedroom, right? It's very accurate, window positioning, bed, and so forth, okay? And then this is the kitchen plus living room. This was a bit more complicated to get, okay? You can also retry or you can use Pedra's tool to finish up the edition of that image and get something that you want and can share with well, potential buyers, other agents, and so on, okay? So I hope you liked it. If you want to try it out, head to Pedra and you'll be able to see how this works.